Remember the days when the internet was just a clunky message board for cat lovers? Now, it's the lifeblood of everything we do. The world of finance is going through a similar shift, and one of the biggest movers and shakers is cryptocurrency. But with all this innovation comes confusion. There are a million different cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own purpose and a jumble of exchanges to navigate. So, how do you, the curious and ambitious individual, take that first step into this exciting new frontier? Well, that's where Newton Crypto comes in. Newton isn't just another crypto exchange. It's your gateway to a future powered by digital assets. It's a platform designed for everyday people, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the possibilities of crypto. So, what exactly is Newton Crypto? Imagine a sleek, user-friendly platform that lets you buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies with ease. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and dozens more, all accessible with just a few clicks. Newton cuts through the complexity, offering transparent fees and a secure environment to manage your crypto holdings. But it's not just about buying and selling. Newton empowers you to take control of your financial future. Let's say you see the potential in a new cryptocurrency but don't want to commit a lump sum. Newton's flexible purchase options allow you to invest smaller amounts regularly, a strategy known as dollar-cost averaging. This helps you weather the market's ups and downs while building your crypto portfolio over time. Security is paramount, you say? Newton gets it. They prioritize the safety of your hard-earned money with industry-leading security measures. Your crypto is stored offline in secure cold wallets, minimizing the risk of online hacks. Plus, Newton offers two-factor authentication, adding another layer of protection for your account. Feeling overwhelmed by all the technical jargon? Fear not, Newton has your back. They offer a wealth of educational resources, from beginner guides to in-depth articles that break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. Their friendly customer support team is also there to answer any questions you might have. Think of Newton as your crypto companion, guiding you on your journey into the exciting world of digital assets. It's a platform that fosters confidence, making it easier than ever to explore the potential of cryptocurrency. But remember, cryptocurrency is a volatile market. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.